All right, we're starting off with 3 cans of our lump crab meat. And this is all in my crock pot. Go ahead and lay that flat. Next, I'm coming in with 2 bell peppers, diced red and green, and we're gonna put that right in there with our lump crab. We're making a super easy and delicious crock pot appetizer that everyone will love. I personally love crab, especially for this recipe. Okay, beautiful. Next thing we're gonna add is 1 block of our Philadelphia cream cheese right in there. Oh yeah, the best cream cheese you can buy. I have here some creamy horseradish sauce, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of that. We're just gonna do a nice little semi-drizzle. It doesn't really want to drizzle because it's a little chunky, but we'll make sure to get that flavor in there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Delicious. Now I have some Worcestershire sauce or some wash your sister sauce, whatever you call it, I don't judge. And we're gonna add a nice little sprinkle of that. We're measuring with our heart today, as always. Now I'm gonna add my 15 ounces of mayo. Okay, and you can use Miracle Whip if that's what you prefer, but I don't think you want it to be too sweet because we want it to be a savory appetizer. Oh my, okay, get that all on the sides. This is gonna heat up and mix beautifully. It already smells amazing because of that crab and that Worcestershire sauce. Okay, we got all of that out, beautiful. Now to complement that crab, we are gonna do a nice little squirt of lemon juice. You can get it open, just not too much because we don't wanna take away from those other flavors. Now, call me crazy, but we're gonna add some Red Hot's Original. Now, if you don't like spicy things, you can skip this, but I think it just goes so beautifully with that horseradish and that crab. It just adds a nice little dimension to all of our other flavors that I love. Yummy. Now for seasoning, you guys already know, we're gonna do some garlic powder. We're gonna do a nice generous amount of garlic powder because I wanna be able to taste that garlic. Now we have some ground mustard. You could use fresh mustard, but I think ground mustard goes great with this recipe. Oh yeah, okay. That looks absolutely incredible. Make sure to season this well, okay? Of course, we're gonna add some black pepper. Just add a little kick to our crab appetizer. And last, but certainly not least, we've gotta add some sea salt. Oh yeah, and I did not drain those cans of crab meat. We kept that liquid. It will just add to that delicious texture. But that is it, you guys. Our crab appetizer is ready to start heating up. So I am gonna pop this on high and let it cook. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Woo! You can smell that crab. Let's go ahead and mix everything together. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be absolutely incredible. All right, so once we have that mixed in, it is time to add our Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna have this whole bag of Parmesan. Yummy. Okay, go ahead and give this a good mix. Let that kind of melt a little bit in there with all that goodness. The Parmesan is just gonna add that perfect flavor to this delicious crab dip. And that is just some chopped parsley. The green just adds a great touch. Okay, just gonna sprinkle that right on top. You don't need to mix it in. If you mix it in, it will just turn your crab dip into a green dip, which is not what we want. Just a nice, beautiful sprinkle. Oh yeah, okay. Now this is ready to give a try. I have my little toasties here, and we're just gonna dig in. Oh yeah, and it looks so good. Be careful, it's gonna be hot.
Good.
Mm-hmm.